Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about UNICEF, that is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. So firstly, UNICEF was named as United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Then it was renamed now in as UN Children's Fund, United Nations Children's Fund. So it was formed by UN General Assembly on December 11, 1946, and becomes a permanent part of United Nations in 1953, and its headquarters is in New York. What are the goals of UNICEF? Basically, UNICEF focuses on uh, children all over the world, children, their needs, what and first goal is to provide long-term humanitarian and development assistances to children and mothers in developing countries. That means UNICEF provide assistance to the children and mothers regarding humanitarian assistance and development assistance, कुछ भी ऐसा है in developing countries. Then UNICEF also emphasize developing community level services to promote health and well-being of children. जितनी भी कम्युनिटी लेवल हेल्थ सर्विसेज हैं उस पर भी फोकस करता है, इम्यूनाइजेशन पर, उनके ग्रोथ पर, उनके न्यूट्रिशन पर, ठीक है, सो दैट चिल्ड्रन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड विल बी good in health. Now coming to organization, the countries in which UNICEF works are 191 countries. उसमें वो जो है प्रोग्राम्स, वेरियस हेल्थ प्रोग्राम्स और नेशनल कमिटीज़ हैं, उनमें उनके लिए काम करता है. देन यूनिसेफ इज़ गाइडेड बाय 36 मेंबर एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड and it is headed by one executive director, and the income, or you can say fundraising, is done by contribution of different governments and private donors. And UNICEF also got Nobel Prize in 1965. Now coming to the focus areas, if we see the focus areas in which, or we can say the working areas of UNICEF, first one is child nutrition. So UNICEF provide low cost protein rich food to the children all over the world, and with the collaboration of FAO, that means Food and Agricultural Organization, it also aided applied nutrition program all over the world for children, and it also supplies enriched food in endemic areas of nutritional deficiency. जहाँ जहाँ न्यूट्रिशनल डेफिशिएंसी है बच्चों में, ऐसे फैली हुई है वो एंडेमिक एरियाज़ में, ठीक है, वहाँ पे वो एनरिच्ड फूड भी सप्लाई करता है. देन नेक्स्ट focus area is immunization. So it also helps in UNICEF also helps in production of vaccines and distribution. And third main area of working of UNICEF is prevent spread of HIV. That is UNICEF also works for antiretroviral medicines. UNICEF provides antiretroviral medicines for children and mothers with HIV. Another focus area is water and sanitation and hygiene. And UNICEF also did a TAP project in 2007 in New York for clean and accessible water that is available for all. Then next focus area for or working area of UNICEF is basic education and gender equality, so that quality based education will be available for all boys and girls. And UNICEF also supplies educational equipments or educational supplies to all children all over the world. Then next area of working is child protection from violence, exploitation and abuse. Okay, UNICEF also protect the rights of children. Then very important campaign that is run by UNICEF is Gobi campaign to encourage strategies for child health revolution. In Gobi campaign, G stands for growth charts to monitor child development, O stands for oral rehydration, B stands for breastfeeding, and I stands for immunization. If we say UNICEF in health sector, UNICEF also collaborates with WHO, FAO, UNDP and UNESCO. Then UNICEF pay more attention on health aspects of mother and child, and it also helps to eradicate TB, malaria, venereal disease in collaboration with WHO. दैट मीन्स जो WHO ने ये सारे प्रोग्राम्स चलाए हैं, यूनिसेफ ऑल्सो हेल्प्स WHO और कोलेबरेट्स विद WHO to for smooth running of these programs. Then recently UNICEF gives an idea of whole child. That means whole child is means जितनी भी चाइल्ड की नीड है उन सभी नीड्स को मीट करना ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, तो कंट्री हेल्थ प्रोग्राम है ये एक, तो ये एक यूनिसेफ ने नया आइडिया जो है वो दिया है. सो नाउ if we talk about UNICEF, what is UNICEF doing in India? So UNICEF runs these programs, several programs in India, like reproductive and child health, child development and nutrition, child environment, child protection and education. And UNICEF also contributes in these health programs like BCG vaccination programs, penicillin plant Pune, triple vaccine plant, and UNICEF also do fundraising as an income source of various functions run by UNICEF. Okay, so this is all about today. Thank you so much.